Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the depreciation problems. Now I did mention the last class 9 problems. Now 10th problem. On 1st January 2011, on 1st January 2011, Suma purchased furniture. Suma purchased furniture for rupees 80,000. Depreciation is to be provided. Depreciation is to be provided. Depreciation is to be provided annually at 10% under straight line method. Straight line method. On 31st December 2013, on 31st December 2013, furniture are sold. Furniture are sold for rupees 40,000. For rupees 40,000. Show the furniture account. Show the furniture account that the books are closed. That the books are closed. Books are closed on 31st December. On 31st December every year. Every year. Okay, that's it. Problem. Now problem number 10. On 1st January 2011, Suma purchased a furniture for rupees 80,000. Original cost of the furniture 80,000. Depreciation annual at 10%. 80,000 into 10 divided by 100. 8,000. This is an annual amount of depreciation. 1 year depreciation 8,000. On 31st December 2013 ending, now 11-12. 11 mission fully used, 12 mission fully used, 2013 mission fully used, and any one of the causes the mission was sold. The mission was sold for rupees 40,000. 40,000. Show the furniture account that the books are closed on 31st December every year. Now books of account closed every year 31st December. Let's start the solution. Furniture account of Suma. Furniture account of Suma under straight line method. Same similar to the ledger format. First column date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Same date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Credit side, debit side. Now first purchase a machine 80,000. Journal entry furniture account debtor to bank account 2011 January 1st to bank account. Furniture account debtor to bank account purchased 80,000. Now at the end of the every year, charged to the depreciation 10% under straight line method. Now original cost of the machine 80,000. Now 10% 8,000 per year depreciation. Now ending every year ending December. Now January to December 1 year 2011 December 31st by depreciation account 80,000 into 10 by 100 8,000. Now first year depreciation 8,000. Now debit and credit always equal. Now debits at 80,000, credits at 8,000. Now difference balance carried on 80,000 minus 8,000, remaining balance 72,000. Now this is the same debt by balance carried on. Balance carried on. Now both side 80,000. 80,000. Now that's it. First year. And second year, carried on balance forward to the brought down. Next year 2012 January 1st to balance brought down 72,000. Now second year balance present furniture balance 72,000. Now second year again furniture used January to December. Now yearly annual depreciation 8,000. Same 2013 December 31st 2012 by depreciation account second year 8,000. Now remaining balance 72 minus 8,000 by balance carried on 64,000. 72,000 minus 8,000. 0, 0, 0, 4, 6. 64,000. Now both side 72,000. Okay, that's it. Second year. Next third year. Now carried on balance forward to the next year 2013 January 1st to balance brought down 64,000. Now third year mission used same January to December. Now full year depreciation charged and immediately same date the mission was sold. I did mention the last theoretical class and depreciation topics. Sale entry is nothing but bank account debtor to machinery account or cash or bank account debtor to machinery account. In case any other machine sold, this is an entry. Clear? Now full year used 1st January to December. Now depreciation third year same 2013 December 31st by depreciation account. By depreciation account 8,000. Clear? Now same date mission was sold. Mission was sold. In case any other mission sold, journal entry cash or bank account debtor to machinery. In this problem furniture cash or bank account debtor to furniture account. Furniture means asset. In theoretical explanation, cash or bank account debtor to asset account. Now asset furniture, cash or bank account debtor to furniture account. Now sale entry recording the credit side same day by bank account. bracket, given in bracket, sale. Bank account. Now sale 40,000. 40,000. Now meaning, actually third year machinery 64,000. Now third year depreciation 8,000. Now remaining balance 0, 0, 0, 14 minus 8, 6, 56. Value of the machine only sold 40,000. Only sold 40,000. Clear? 56th value of the machine, but only sold 40,000. Now loss of the machine, zero, 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 1. 16,000. Clear? 16,000 loss of the asset. 64 minus 48. 64 minus 48. 0, 0, 0, 6, 1. 16,000. Now entry bank account 40,000. Last entry profit and loss account debit to furniture account. Profit and loss account debit to furniture account. Now loss 16,000 by profit and loss account bracket loss. Debit side 64,000, credit side 48,000. Now remaining balance 16,000. 16,000 is in loss on sale of furniture. Loss on sale of furniture. Always loss recording the credit side. Now entry profit and loss account debit to furniture account. Now both side 64,000. 64,000. Okay, that's it. Now exam point of view, similarly asked this type of questions in exam point of view. Clear? Once again, furniture account to bank account 80,000. Now first year depreciation 8,000. Remaining balance carry down to brought down. Same second year depreciation 8,000. Let's carry down to brought down. Third year first depreciation record. How many months used? Next sale of machinery recording. Next loss in case any other profit recording the debit side. Recording the debit side. Okay, that's it. Next problem. Next 11th problem. Sunita traders purchased, very important problem. Sunita traders purchased a second hand machine for rupees 72,000 on 1st January 2011. 1st January 2011 and spent 8,000 on installation. 8,000 on installation. Depreciation is 10% per annum or per year. Depreciation is to be charged 10% per annum on on the straight line method. On the straight line method. On 30th June, on 30th June 2013, the mission was sold. The mission was sold for rupees 50,000. Prepare missionary account. Prepare missionary account, assuming that the books are closed. Books are closed on 31st December every year. 31st December every year. Okay, this is the problem. Now 11th problem. Sunita Traders purchased second hand machine for rupees 72,000 and installation charges 8,000. 72,000 plus 8,000, total 80,000. Now original cost of the asset 80,000. 10% per annum depreciation is equal to 8,000 per annum. On straight line method on 30th June 2013. Now very important. Now 11 fully used, 12th fully used. Next 13th 2013 only using January to June 30th. 6 months. January, February, March, April, May, June. Only chargeable third year 6 months depreciation. First year fully chargeable depreciation. Second year fully depreciation charge. Third year only 6 months. Now mission was sold 50,000. Prepare missionary account assuming that the books are closed on 31st December every year. Okay, let's start the solution. Missionary account of Sunita Traders. Heading. Missionary account of Sunita Traders under straight line method. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Now first entry, mission purchased. Sunita Traders purchased a mission, a second hand mission for rupees 72,000 plus 8,000 installation, total 80,000. Now entry, missionary account data 2011 January 1st to bank account 72,000 cost price plus installation charge 8,000, total value 80,000. First year depreciation charge. Every year books of accounts closed 31st December. Now January to December 1 year. 2011 December 31st by depreciation account 8,000. Now original 80,000 plus 10 divided by 100, 8,000. 80,000 minus 8,000. Now same debt remaining balance by balance carry down 72,000. Now both sides first year 80,000. 80,000. That's it, first year depreciation. And second year the balance carry forward to the brought down. Same 2011. Next year 2012 January 1st to balance brought down. To balance brought down 72,000. Now second year, the mission was used full year, January to December. Now under straight line method, same amount decrease depreciation. 2012 December 31st by depreciation account 8,000. Now 72,000 minus 8,000, remaining balance same date, the balance carried on 64,000. 64,000. Okay, both side debit and credit equally 72,000. 72,000. Okay, this is second year. Now third year, the balance carry forward to the next breakdown. 2013 January 1st to balance brought down 64,000. Third year balance, missionary balance. Now third year, missionary only using January to June 30th. Only using 6 months. Now calculating the 6 months depreciation. 2013 30th June. 30th June by depreciation account. By depreciation account. Now depreciation account, 6 months depreciation 4,000. 4,000. Only 6 months. And next, same day the mission was sold. Clear? The mission was sold for rupees 50,000. Now journal entry, cash or bank account debtor to missionary account. Missionary goes out, cash or bank account comes in. Now same date, journal entry by bank account bracket sales 50,000. Now debit side balance 64,000, credit side balance 54,000. Now remaining balance 64 minus 54, 10,000. This 10,000, this is the loss. Same day by profit and loss account bracket, given in bracket loss 10,000. This is the answer. Loss on sale of furniture. Loss on sale of furniture 10,000. Now both side 64,000. 64,000. 64,000. Okay. Missionary closed. There is no carried on, brought down. In case any other continue the mission, now carried out to brought down. The mission was completed the close. Okay.